This is the nature reserve, Mewia Łacha, which is at the mouth of the Vistula river, and there we have the open Baltic Sea, and there's a variety of water birds and mammals to be found here, and I don't know if I'm going to see any, but at least I'm filming the bird. To get here you've got to walk a couple of kilometres from the bus stop, which is at the ferry which takes you across the river. So you can see the reserve is under security, it's like Monitor Vanna, I suppose it's security here, and you can't bring dogs in. Now if you see a dog without any legs and you think that's a bit odd that the dog's been out drinking, it's probably a seal, because there is a colony of grey seals here. And I'm not expecting to see any today, but you can see other films of mine from the UK with lots of grey seals, and I've got films from California with seals in as well. One thing I'd like to say about the Baltic Sea is that this fantastic sand, it's absolutely outstanding, and you can find beaches where there's absolutely nobody at all, like in a way like this one here, only this is like the footpath which people may come along to get to the nature reserve. Not that there's many people doing this, but you can find places very easily where there's absolutely nobody. Protected as part of the nature reserve, and what I think is particularly interesting birds. So we've had a number of species here, such as cormorants out there, dunlins. There was a goldeneye, various types of goose, and which is quite wonderful. This is the nature reserve, the boundary of it. I'm very glad there is places like this. We've got some wonderful people up there telling people what's going on, what animals can be seen here. Very knowledgeable as well. Very impressed by that. You can actually, if you want to get back to where the road is, the car park, or that stops, you can actually walk along here and then turn on left, although it's some distance to go. Well, I'd say it's about 4 kilometres, something like that. Or some distance, but in order to do it, it's terrain most of the time.